Today we will explore the secret to happiness. Along the way, we will also learn some new words and improve our English vocabulary. Happiness is not something you can find by comparing your life to someone else's. It's easy to fall into the trap of thinking that others have it all. Better jobs, more money, nicer homes, or more success. You might look at someone's life and think, why don't I have that? Why am I not where they are? But this kind of thinking only leads to unhappiness and frustration. It takes away your peace and makes you forget the beauty of your own journey. The truth is, happiness starts from within. It comes from accepting where you are in life right now and from focusing on the things that truly matter to you. When you stop comparing yourself to others, you begin to see all the good things in your own life. Even in difficult times, there are always things to be thankful for, whether it's a moment of quiet, a conversation with a friend, or a good meal. These small moments are what bring true joy, not the things you see in other people's lives. Gratitude is a powerful tool for happiness. When you start appreciating the things you have, it shifts your focus away from what you don't have. The simple things like a roof over your head, or even the small victories you achieve, are all things to be grateful for. Gratitude helps you realize that life is full of blessings, even when things don't seem perfect. Too often, we get caught up in the idea that success must look a certain way. We think we must have everything figured out by a certain age, or achieve big milestones by a certain time. But the truth is, everyone's path is different, and everyone grows at their own pace. There's no need to rush your life. Life is not a race, and it's certainly not about being better than others. It's about being the best version of yourself. Think about how a tree grows. It doesn't compare itself to other trees. Some trees grow tall quickly, while others take time to reach their full height. But both trees are growing, and both are important in their own way. Your growth is the same. It might not happen on the same timeline as someone else's, and that's okay. What matters is that you keep moving forward, no matter how slow it feels sometimes. When you let go of the need to keep up with others, you can focus more on your own life. You can be proud of your progress, even if it feels small at times. Every little step forward counts. You don't need to be anyone else. You don't need to have what someone else has. Your life is yours to create, and your journey is just as valuable as anyone else's. The key to happiness is not just focusing on your own growth. It's also about being grateful for the present. It's easy to get caught up in what you're working toward, or what you think you still need to do. But real happiness comes from finding joy in the now. When you look at your life with gratitude, you begin to see how much you have to be thankful for. Gratitude helps you find peace. When you are thankful for the small things, it brings you a sense of calm and satisfaction that no amount of success or possessions can provide. No matter where you are in life, you have something to be thankful for. And that's where true happiness comes from. As you stop comparing yourself to others and start focusing on your own life, your own growth, and your own blessings, you'll find that happiness follows. It's not about being better than someone else or having more than others. It's about enjoying your own path, being proud of your progress, and appreciating the little moments that make life special. Happiness doesn't come from chasing someone else's dream. It comes from waking up each day and appreciating what you have, what you've done, and what you're capable of. Life isn't perfect, but it is yours, and that's something to be truly grateful for. So, stop comparing, start appreciating, and trust your own journey. Keep going at your own pace, with gratitude in your heart, and you'll discover that happiness isn't a distant goal. It's right here, in the way you live your life each and every day.